This is how to properly open and set up a YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to open and set up a YouTube channel. Most people, they just think for you to get monetized on YouTube, they'll just have to open a YouTube channel and start posting. That's not how it works. For you to get views and get monetized on YouTube, you must first of all set up your YouTube channel properly. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your YouTube channel properly. How to open and set up a YouTube channel properly, so that when you start posting, your video will get views, and eventually when you reach monetization point, you get monetized properly. So watch this video to the end to know how to open and set up a YouTube channel properly. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Miracle Guy 001, the only person who talk truth for this internet. Follow me, click on that follow button, follow me to hear more truth in the future. Before you be able to create a YouTube channel, you must first of all have a Gmail account. So for the purpose of this video, I created a new Gmail which we are going to be using to open a YouTube channel. So go over to your YouTube, click on the profile icon, then click on the create a channel you see at the top there. Then after that, you have to customize the name and the handle to what you want. But for me, I'm going to leave it like this because I'll be using this channel for a motivational niche. I'm using it to post motivational videos, so I'm going to leave it like this. Then click on the create channel button, then it will automatically create the channel for you. Now click on your profile icon, then you will see visit channel. But for me, because as at the time I was recording this video while creating the channel, I did not refresh my app. It was still showing create a channel. But for you, if you should refresh your app, it will show visit channel. Then when you click on it, it will open this new page. On this page, you can manage your channel. You can click on the create button to create videos, and also when you have started creating videos, you can view the videos, and you can view the videos you created, edit or delete them later in the future. So I always advise people to use YouTube Studio when they are uploading or editing their videos. So I'm going to show you how to properly use YouTube Studio. As you can see on this video, you can see that I am showing you this on a phone. So if you want to know how to do this on a PC, go to my channel, go and watch this video. Go to my channel, go and watch this video. The settings for PC and phone, they are different. So go to my YouTube, go and watch this video, and on this video I explain in details and why those settings is needed and why they are also there. So go to this video, go and watch it on YouTube. For the YouTube Studio, go to your Play Store, search for YouTube Studio, and download it. For me, I'm going to just update mine. Since I already have the app on my phone. After you finish downloading it, open the app and then log in with the Gmail which you have your YouTube channel on. Go to my YouTube, go and watch the full video on how to fully set your YouTube channel. Thank you.